We're going to do a quick post-analysis of that ground test. I'd seen where the lids of the centrifuge tubes would break off and shoot through the rocket, so we wanted something to hold those in line. Everything was held pretty well in place there. There's pretty minimal residue from this mix as well. But we did have not only the lid of the centrifuge tube come off, but actually split in half and cause some problems that we'll see here later. You can see one half of it there that was retained by the tape on the mat. Now we're going to compare it to another E-match where we used the shroud that came with it versus tape. You can see the burn marks went way up on that one. I think we'll just continue to tape directly to it. Beyond that, the tube seemed in good shape. No obvious signs of stress fracture. The Nomex here, however, did take some damage. You can see where the half of that lid that came off stuck while still ignited to the Nomex there and started to burn through. So luckily we had that. It wasn't directly on the parachute. There's still a couple flakes of plastic there that we're able to scrape off. But so maybe in the future we're going to try this without the lids and see if we can get sufficient compression.